Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Saturday night and I've been working on stuff, but I've been spending a lot of time cleaning my studio. Check it out. If you've seen previous videos, it probably looks a lot different. This is actually came out of the house, but it's going to go back in. And also this chair too is going back in the house. My son and his friend are spending the night tomorrow night, so we put up a couple beds inside. We had to remove these chairs, but I got all this area cleaned up. Got my little fire to can watch videos and stuff. This area is a little messy, but I'm gonna straighten this up and this down here. And I got my crock pot and my little oven. Anyway, different things I'm working on, and I do a little sculpting here. Some stuff I'm started. This is mostly household stuff, storage and stuff, but I got it all packed up. My little trash can here, but yeah, I found this radio that I had before, and I don't have a cord for it, but I got rechargeables, so that works. And got my tools kind of put away. This is something I'm giving away for free. It's an old overhead projector. They have a local thing called, I think it's called Rooster, but where you can give stuff away. But I've got all this open space. I've got some stuff stored under here. Things I use. I just got to get used to where I put things. And this is something I'm working on. I'll show you. Let me put this on my head. Oh, noisy. Anyway, this is just another little thing I'm working on. This is a mother mold that I just made. It's a two-part mother mold, plaster. And you build up a wall, and then you slap plaster on one side, then you peel that clay wall away, and then you add plaster to the other side. And I pushed some little holes in it so they act as keys, so you can see how it fits together. And the purpose of this is just, you got to use a lot of Vaseline too when you do the second side of the plaster, because it'll stick together. So this is latex rubber, a mold, and inside here, I'm not sure, I think this is Chavant hard clay, but anyway, it just pops right out. And so I'm gonna pull this mold off, expose the sculpture inside. Let's see if I can get in the light so you can see it better. It's kind of a creepy character. I guess it's a female. Could be a male or female. It's pretty weird. I like making these little things, and then sometimes I don't finish them completely. I think I'm just gonna make a mold because I just like the way they look sometimes, kind of half finished, but this is probably creepy enough to go on the van. And this is the mold. And basically how it works is, now I will take this and it just sets back in like so. And now if I want, I can pour hot monster clay in there and make copies of it and change it. Or I can pour in plaster, make little plaster castings. Or I can pour in resin, polyurethane resin. And I got this stuff too. I talked about it in a video. I can mix some of this up. This Durham's Rock Hard Water Putty. This was about 10 bucks a can. It's kind of cool. It's a little more expensive than plaster, but this might be more durable. But I could pour that into it too. In fact, there's a sculpture around here somewhere that I did. Oh, here it is over here. This is made out of that plaster. This guy's kind of weird. But I try to make them look like metal, but then I did a clear over this, and I could put this in the car, on the car too. I think it would hold up. So anyway, that's what's happening. Kind of made up this new space over here. where I've got different things. I got my plastic casters and all the spray paint that I use a lot. Anyway, it's a lot cleaner, a lot more efficient. Okay, I guess that's all for now. I've always got things hanging around. This is another piece I just painted. This is with paper clay. Another creepy character. All right. Well, a little tour of my studio, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Have a nice Saturday night.